Hey, if you're applying for jobs right now, I want you to know the reality. Your resume probably isn't even being seen. Now, it's not because you are not qualified, but it's because it's getting filtered out by applicant tracking systems. And here's what makes it even trickier. AI is actually making this problem worse for most job seekers. Everyone is using tools like ChatGPT to generate resumes, which means recruiters are now seeing hundreds of applications that all sound exactly the same. The same phrases, the same tone, and even the same robotic feel. So instead of helping you stand out, AI is actually quietly blending you in. Now in this episode, I'm going to show you something completely different. I want you to think of this as a human plus AI hybrid system that not only beats the ATS, but actually makes recruiters stop, read, and think, hey, this is someone we need to talk to. This isn't copy-paste fluff. This is the exact system my clients have used to land interviews at companies like Google, Meta, Amazon, and high-growth startups. And hey, stick with me until the end because I'm giving you my full AI resume prompt pack and templates for free. Hey, I'm Heather Austin, a former university professor turned entrepreneur with over 20 million views on this channel and 275,000 of you subscribed. I've helped thousands of job seekers just like you build powerful resumes, master LinkedIn, and land much better job offers. But more importantly, I've seen firsthand what works right now in this job market. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start getting results, tap the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's jump in. First, we need to talk about why pure AI resumes fail so badly. They look polished, they sound professional, but they don't feel real. And recruiters read these all day long. And let me tell you, they can spot them instantly. It's the same recycled phrases like results-driven professional, proven track record, or dynamic team player. And after a while, everything just blends together. Even ATS systems are evolving. They're not just scanning for keywords anymore. They're actually picking up on patterns that feel unnatural or overly generic. So here's the shift you need to make. Don't let AI replace your voice. Use AI to amplify your experience. And think of it like this. AI is your assistant. You're still the strategist. Here's the exact step-by-step process that I want you to follow. So the first step is to prepare smarter input. Now, most people make this mistake. They paste their resume, they paste the job description, and they say something like, rewrite this. Now, that's where everything goes wrong. Instead, you want to guide the AI like a professional resume writer would. Here's the prompt I want you to use instead. Act as an expert resume writer and career coach with 15 plus years of experience. Here is my current resume and the job description I'm targeting. Rewrite my experience bullets using the CAR method. Context, action, result. Keep my authentic achievements, only use relevant keywords, and make the tone natural and professional. This one shift alone will dramatically improve your output. Now, the second step I want you to follow is to generate multiple versions. So never accept the first output. Always ask the AI to give you 3 different versions, then do something that most people don't. Mix and match. Pull the strongest phrasing from each version and build something better than any single output. This is where you really start creating something unique. Now, step 3 is the human edit. This is the part that almost everyone skips, and it's the reason most resumes fail. Take the AI output and ask yourself, does this actually sound like me? Would I say this in a real conversation? Is this specific enough? Then I want you to refine it. Cut the fluff. So tighten up all the wording and add one detail only you would know. An example of this might be a tool that you used, a specific challenge that you overcame, or even a measurable result that you achieved. This is what's gonna make your resume feel real. Now, let me give you an example. You might start with a weak generic bullet point that says something like managed a team and increased sales. After running it through the proper AI prompts and doing your human edit, it would look something more like led a 5-person sales team by implementing Salesforce automation, targeting high intent leads, which increased quarterly revenue by 47%. So do you see what changed? A specific team size, real tools, a clear strategy, and of course, measurable impact. That's what grabs attention. Now, here's something that most people don't realize. Your resume isn't just one piece. It's actually multiple sections working together. There's 3 key sections that you should optimize with AI one at a time. We're going to break those down. The first one is your professional resume summary. Now, here's the prompt I want you to use. Write a confident but natural 3 to 4 sentence professional summary for my resume. Base it on my experience and the target job description. Highlight my biggest relevant achievements without sounding salesy or robotic. Keep in mind that your AI assistant needs to have the job description and know and understand what your experience is. The second section to have AI write separately is your skills section. Now, here's the exact prompt I want you to use. Extract all the important hard and soft skills this role is looking for, then match them only to skills I can actually prove from my experience. List them in order of relevance and remove anything I don't genuinely have. Now, I like to place this section right under your professional resume summary with the title of core competencies. The third section to have AI write separately is your experience section. Have AI generate bullets only, starting each bullet with a strong action verb, then go back in and layer in your real metrics, tools, and outcomes. And here's an important rule. Never let the AI write your entire resume in one giant prompt. You have to do it by section. So the summary first, then the skills, then one job at a time. This keeps you in control and prevents that flat robotic tone. And one more thing, this is really important. Always fact check everything. AI can generate impressive numbers that aren't real. And if a recruiter questions it, that's a problem you don't want to face. Now, if you want my complete AI resume prompt pack with my favorite AI prompts, resume template, and example, you can grab it using the link below. And hey, I'm curious, what part of your resume do you struggle with the most? Is it the professional summary? Maybe it's the experience bullet points, or maybe it's your skills. Drop it in the comments below. And that's it for today. If this video helped you, tag me in your success story when you start landing more interviews. Hit the like button if you want more AI-powered job search content like this, and subscribe for the next video where I'm going to be talking about how to tackle LinkedIn and optimize your profile using AI. Now, I'll see you in the next one.